Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting content. Today we're diving into the world of mobile vlog editing with an app that's taking the content creation scene by storm, CapCut. CapCut is a powerful yet user-friendly mobile editing app that's perfect for both beginners and seasoned vloggers. So without further ado, let's jump right into it.
But is this love and war? He know that I love him, got him fucking me raw. He know I ain't with it, never did it before.
First you have to download CapCut by clicking the link in description, then install it. Open any VPN and connect any country you want. Next you have to import your vlog video clips to the CapCut. At the same time you also trim your video clip as your wish. Then add a transition effects in between the video clips, as I shown in this video. For next step you add a music and sound effects as I shown. Then add text and title for your video as I shown to elevate your vlog. Then everything will be ready. Go to export and make the settings I shown and export it. Thanks for watching this far. Make sure to like and subscribe. Any doubts, comment below. See you guys in next video.